Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a couple of tips for Pinterest creators, those who want to be an influencer on Pinterest. You need to have a strategy, keep a lot of eyes into your pin, have a strategy to get more followers, have a strategy and a plan to get all the best you can be, and start the new year with fresh content and grow your your influence, of course, and go and push up your smart feed. First of all, we can start again, as I mentioned in a previous video, with the Pinterest trends and the audience. Keep an eye and use it into your abundance. However, as the Pinterest influencers, you need to create boards better in relation with your personal brand influencer. So make sure the boards you're creating, the pins you're creating, that are all related to your personal brand. Any influencer personal brand, because you are growing your influencer, but you also growing your brand. Remember, we say that it's important for you to grow your brand on Pinterest, to have your signature, so people that will recognize you. So it's important also to, when you do your research and the keywords, a lot of people that don't know that you need to take a lot of ideas from Pinterest analytics and see what is trending and use those keywords into your advantage when you create boards. Especially when you are an influencer, you really need to be on the top. So you really need to be on the top of the search on a smart feed, and you need to rank #1 on Pinterest. So you really need to have keywords that will help you, and that will be related to your personal influencer brand. So this is rule #1. Rule #2, we can say, follow your other pinners into your niche, follow influencers that they're having similar, goals with you. You get similar inspirations, get more inspirations. That's something else, because you can get and interact with other people, with other influencers that probably they have bigger following than you, and you get some also ideas from them. Then #3 can be, for instance, maybe you need to create content weekly. Actually, you need to make sure you find time to create your content weekly, because the more content you will create and you put out, the more you will be discovered. And in this case, it can be video pins that get a lot of impressions, get a lot of followers. Make sure that, again, you have the right partners. Check out the Pinterest partners page to see what you can use. Get a couple of ideas to create and put out your content in order, to get a lot of attention. The more you put, the more you will be discovered. What I suggest is create a plan, a strategy create a plan on what you are going to create of your content creation weekly. Say that today you're going to do 2 to 3 videos about a product maybe you are going to sell. Tomorrow you might do some other videos. So make sure you have a plan of what you're going to do weekly, and then schedule it out. But it's really going to help you stay on the top when you are a Pinterest creator. You can see on a blog on Pinterest, and you can get a lot of ideas from other creators. The other thing you can do is to get your other content, reshape your other content from other social media platforms, from Facebook, from Twitter, from Instagram, and get ideas and reshape it. Pin it on Pinterest. Get more, connect. That is all your social media platforms. You can connect it with Pinterest, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook. You know that very well. You can post from Facebook to Pinterest and the other way around. So it's really, really great. So make sure that you are recepting your content and get those, eyes into your content, because becoming a Pinterest influencer is really going to give you a lot of followers. It's going to give you a lot of impression if you do those things. So you pay attention to your analytics. That is the one thing that you need to pay attention. And you like this video, subscribe to my channel, because it's really important. A lot of people that don't know that it's a big secret. So make sure you follow those. Make sure you follow those actually tips, and you get ready for the new year. Have this strategy in place. Again, your weekly content, resave your content, follow pinners on your knees, and again create boards and pins in relation to your personal brand, to the influencer personal brand, of course. So those are a couple of tips that you need to remember as a Pinterest creator. And again, there is a program that you can get, evolved. However, create the content, have a strategy. If you want to be full-time content creator, it's really gonna give you a lot of money. You can get more sponsorship. You can get other, platforms that you can get collaborations as a blogger. For me, it's helping me a lot. I get a lot of sponsorship, but put content out there, because you're giving inspiration, ideas to the other products and businesses that want to, collaborate with you, do business with you, because you showing your personality is important. For me, I like to show my personality. I like to have fun. I like my followers to see it, So brands, they do like to, connect with influencers, that they like to show their characters on the media, when, they interact, they have fun. So you will get a lot of collaboration proposals. And this is something, that you can have on the side. So you can be full-time content creator. It's easy. So that's it for me today. I hope you actually again like this video. Leave your comments below and have a great day.